In this video, I will explain you what is HTML. Basically, the HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. What's the full form of HTML? Full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext means text with links, markup means text used to structure content, and language means used to create web pages. Basically, the hypertext means text that links to another pages, and markup language means it uses text to structure content. If someone asks you why we are using HTML, so you can say we are using HTML to create the structure of our website. Next point is HTML is used to create web pages. It's giving instructions to a computer. Most of the beginners get confused whether HTML is a programming language or not. So HTML is not a programming language. HTML is a markup language. So we can see HTML is a markup language. HTML is not a case sensitive, but you should always use lowercase because easy to read. Some things inside HTML are case sensitive like file names, CSS class names. It means HTML is not a case sensitive means HTML में हम text both capital letters and small letters दोनों में लिख सकते हैं. Like I will show you here. ये small letter में है और ये कैपिटल लेटर्स में है. बोथ आर करेक्ट वेज ऑफ राइटिंग. हम स्मॉल लेटर्स में भी लिख सकते हैं एंड कैपिटल लेटर्स में भी लिख सकते हैं. बट some programming languages are case sensitive like C, C++, Java, Python. They all are the case sensitive. Next is we are using HTML5 version. The features of HTML5 is semantic tags. Next is audio and video support. Next, third one is drawing graphics, and next fourth is new form input types, placeholder attribute, required attribute, drag and drop features. First, semantic tags. Semantic tags means that have the meaningful names like header, footer, section, article. आपको नेम से ही पता चल रहा होगा कि इनके मीनिंगफुल नेम्स हैं. तो जिनके भी नेम्स मीनिंगफुल नेम्स होते हैं they all are the semantic tags. It's the example of the semantic tags. Second one is audio and video. We can add audio and video with the help of HTML5. HTML5 allows playing media without plugging like flags. Next, drawing graphics. We can add drawing graphics. Fourth, new form input types. अगर हम फॉर्म क्रिएट करते हैं तो उसमें हम ईमेल, डेट, नंबर एंड रेंज, कलर वगैरह यूज कर सकते हैं. Next is placeholder attribute and required attribute. They both are the form attributes. Last one is 7, drag and drop features. It means कि हम zoom in zoom out वगैरह कर सकते हैं. Next I will explain you the structure of HTML. This is the structure of HTML. First line is doc type. Next HTML tag, then head tag, title tag, body. This all are I will explain you. First, doc type HTML tag. This tells the browser this document is written in HTML5. ये ब्राउजर को बताता है कि ये जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट है वो HTML5 वर्जन में लिखा गया है. Next is HTML tag. This is the root element of HTML. All HTML code is written inside this tag. I will show you. You can see here, this is the opening HTML tag and this is the closing HTML tag. Next, head tag. The head section contains information about the web pages not visible on page. Inside head, title, meta tag, CSS links. हेड टैग के अंदर हमें जो भी लिंक्स वगैरह ऐड करना है वो हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. लाइक अगर मुझे CSS को लिंक करना है या अदर लिंक्स ऐड करना है तो आई विल लिंक इनसाइड द हेड टैग. दिस इज द ओपनिंग टैग ऑफ हेड टैग एंड दिस इज द क्लोजिंग टैग ऑफ द हेड टैग. सो अगर मुझे कोई सी भी लिंक ऐड करना है तो मैं यहाँ पर ऐड करूँगी. लाइक मुझे अगर CSS को लिंक करना है तो आई विल राइट हियर. Next is title tag. This sets the title of web page shown in browser tab. It means whatever I will writing inside the title tag, that will shown on the top of the browser tab. Like here I am writing you can see here my new website. जो भी हम टाइटल टिक के अंदर लिखेंगे वो हमें यहाँ पर हमारे ब्राउजर के टॉप पर शो होगा. Next, body. Everything inside body is visible on web page. Whatever we are writing inside the body, that will show on our web page. Like here I am writing hello Divyanshi. So it will show on my web page. You can see here hello Divyanshi. Yeah, it's all about the HTML.